So in the last video, we checked out all the street food vendors in Salaya. So I told you there was an outside too. Actually, there's a whole nother area. So let's go check that out now. So one of the things you're definitely going to notice if you do come here is that all the vendors that are set up underneath, like the canopy, are a lot different than the ones that are going to be set up outside on the street. Obviously, the ones that are underneath the canopy have been here longer. They're more set up, so they're more permanent. The ones that are actually outside on the sidewalk between the street and the shaded area are more temporary. So they're going to be more like what you would expect to see on the streets in Bangkok, for instance. One of the 4 or 5 streets that run perpendicular to the main street, and you can see that these food carts here, they're going to be set up tonight, and this place is going to be just popping. So funny enough, here's a place I was at when I was here in January. The hot chicken and cold beer. Funny enough, they didn't have any cold beer. I don't know. I got to go back and see if that place has finally got some cold beer. The suspense is killing me. So right now I'm actually taking a stroll down the street that's second off of the main street, right behind all those buildings on the main street, all the restaurants and stuff. There's one street, but back about a block is actually this street I'm walking down. The reason I'm coming down here is because I wanted to show you guys that not only all of that stuff that is there on the main street and then the part out on the sidewalk, but you've also got this area back here. See, and here's the reason why. One of the reasons why I wanted to come back here. I noticed this place yesterday or the day before. Big Bear Burgers, homemade, Salaya. Well, it looks like they got a pretty simple menu. They got the original burger, pork, beef, chicken, fish, the double cheese, the Big Bear burger. They got pizzas, salads, spaghetti, and then some sides. But yeah, if you guys want me to check it out, let me know. So seriously, people, if you're hungry and you enjoy Thai food and you got a couple of extra days, you need to come over to this part of town. One cool thing that you can do from here, you can, Salaya has a train station. You can actually get on the, what they call the death train, which I've been on, and take that up to the bridge over the River Kwai. That's pretty cool. So across from what I think is the best street food area in town, you've got this. That gold building over there is the Salaya food market. And I'm gonna take a trip over there next because a subscriber, Tony, asked if I could find something a little bit more exotic. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna sample all the stuff that I just don't know what it is. So stay tuned, guys.